What if there was a really inexpensive accessory for your Quest 2 that would protect it from sun damage and dust, increase the resale value of your Quest 2, and make your VR experiences way more comfortable and enjoyable? Well, my friend, let's talk about Kiwi Design's silicone face pad cover for the Quest 2. I'm going to be frank, this inexpensive face pad cover has made a major difference when using my Quest 2 day to day. This simple accessory has improved the Quest 2's scratchy and sometimes uncomfortable fabric cover. We'll go into why this is the case in just a second, but first, let's talk about the installation. Installing this cover was ridiculously easy. Just snap off the current face cover, slip on the silicone pad, and then snap it back onto your headset, and you're ready to enjoy a whole new experience. Let's talk about how this face mask feels and why Kiwi's accessory provides such an upgrade in terms of comfort and completely eliminating light bleed. You see, when you're playing games like Beat Saber or Half-Life Alyx for long sessions, VR can get really hot and your head starts to sweat. What makes this really awful is that the default fabric cover absorbs all the gross bodily fluids, and it kind of becomes abrasive to my skin, giving me some kind of rash. Not only is this experience uncomfortable, it's also not very hygienic, especially if you plan to share this headset with others, or maybe one day you sell it for the Quest 3. You can't wipe the sweat stains off the original fabric, but cleaning this silicone cover is super simple. Also, the silicone feels a lot more comfortable and cooler to wear for long gaming sessions, and I get no rashes. So if you ever decide to sell your Quest 2 for maybe a potential upgrade, it should really hold its resale value in the future. But having this silicone cover really keeps your Quest 2 in its original condition, thus preserving its resale value even better. I'm sure the second owner would also be very glad you used such a cover. Now, if you look closely at the face mask cover design, you'll notice that there's flaps around the nose. As soon as I put on the mask, I immediately noticed that there was literally zero light leakage from any angle, especially around the nose. This effect really helps with immersion, especially in a fully bright room. I was utterly impressed at how well this mask blocked out all the light from the surrounding environment. I also want to add that Kiwi includes a very nice additional accessory in this kit, which is very essential for the proper maintenance of your Quest 2, and that is to protect it from accidental direct sun damage, which can be catastrophic to your Quest 2's lens. And it also prevents dust buildup and accidental scratches to your lenses, which could degrade the image quality. Now, the lens cap fits easily on the lens and doesn't fall off at all. This is a great accessory bonus that I was not expecting. So if you're using the official Oculus Quest 2 case, which I reviewed in a lot of detail, link in the description, you can be safe to know that the silicone facepad cover does not affect the ability to keep it in that case, as it is very light and very thin, which is very important to kind of make the headset not any more heavier than it already is. Overall, for such a low price, I'm really impressed that Kiwi's design is so simple yet effective, and this face mask cover is really easy to install, provides an insane amount of value just for protecting your headset from any sun damage and dust, and obviously, most importantly, it provides a better VR experience thanks to the improved comforts, eliminating any light leakage, and promoting better hygiene for sharing your Quest 2 with others, or if you ever want to sell it in the future. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you in any way, please do give a like. It really helps out the channel. And definitely hit the subscribe button if you want to hear about more Oculus Quest accessories that I'll be reviewing in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.